There is no train here. What these people are doing, they are waiting for the crane to flip the container, which means every truck driver comes with a container on his own chassis, and the crane will flip it, which means will take that container, put it on the chassis of Union Pacific. That's what they are doing. Let us see when we get there. This truck that's coming in my way, in my face, he just finished the job. He delivered his own container, and the crane picked it up to put it somewhere else. When we get there, we figure that out. I need to park here in this spot. What is the crane doing? The crane picked up the container from the truck. You have to put it somewhere else. I'm waiting to see where is this container going to go. I think he's waiting for the yard jockey to come, and all these trucks have to wait for him to finish the job. Each one of these trucks have a container. As you see, the container is short, which is about 20 feet or something like that, like half a container. And they are delivering it. This is like a special delivery. I'm just waiting to see where is this trailer in the airborne trailer. The airborne trailer, where is it going to go? They're just taking it up and down, up and down? I don't think so. Maybe it's just bored. You took it all the way up, he will bring it down. Now he's going down. I think he's just having a good time. Here is the guy. He is waiting for this guy to come with the chassis. With an empty chassis, a bare chassis. So what these people are doing, they are delivering their own containers on their own chassis. Those chassis attached to these trucks are private chassis. They are delivering the container to the yard, and they have an agreement with Union Pacific to pick up that container and put it on Union Pacific chassis. Why is that? The Union Pacific chassis can stay in the yard. In other words, these people do not want to rent the Union Pacific chassis because they might just do it once in a month or once in a year. They have their own chassis, or they're coming from too far, and they cannot just rent a chassis from Union Pacific. Now he is doing it very quick. The yard jockey is waiting behind him. He's going to pick that container up. The truck will pull. As soon as this trailer becomes airborne, the truck will pull forward. And the yard jockey will go under. Oh, the reason he pushed it to the side to allow the cab to go under. So he pushed it to the side, so the cab went under the crane, and then he brought it back to the chassis.